Hello, honors pre-calculus students. This is Mr. Cazzato, and today's learning target is to talk about the rational root theorem. The idea here is you list all possible rational zeros. You may have learned this last year. Some people call it the P's over the Q's. And if you take an upper level math class in college, you may also study this theory. So the rational root theorem says we're going to define P as the factors of the constant, and we're going to define Q as the factors of the leading coefficient. Then the rational root theorem says P over Q are possible rational zeros. Okay. So we're going to look at example number 1, and then there are 6 problems on this worksheet that you can try the other examples, and the answers are listed on the next page. So if you look at problem number 1, the P's are going to be the factors of 8. So plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 8. The Q's are the factors of the leading coefficient, which is 4. So plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4. And then the possible rational zeros are plus or minus. I'm just going to put that plus or minus out in front. So you're going to divide every P divided by every Q. So 1 divided by 1, 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 4. 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1, I already have that. 2 divided by 4 is 1/2, I already have that. 4 divided by 1, 4 divided by 2, I already have that too. And 4 divided by 4 is 1, I already have that. 8 divided by 1, 8 divided by 2 I already have. 8 divided by 4 I already have. So the possible rational zeros are in this list. Now, before the invention of the graphing calculator, what I would need to do in high school is I would evaluate f of 1, f of negative 1, f of 1/2, f of negative 1/2, and so on. And in order to determine if that was a real zero, the outcome should have been 0. So I actually had to plug in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 12 values on my scientific calculator to determine which possible rational zero was truly a 0. Problem number 2. Let's just do one more together. So the P's are going to be plus or minus, and I'm going to just put that in front, 1, 2, 3, and 6. So that's the factors of the 6. The Q's are the factors of 2. So plus or minus 1 or 2. So the P's over the Q's are plus or minus. So 1 over 1, 1 over 2. 2 over 1, 2 over 2, which I already have. 3 over 1, 3 over 2. 6 over 1, 6 over 2, which I already have. So the possible rational zeros for this function are listed there. Again, when I was in high school, I would need to evaluate f of 1, f of negative 1, and so on to determine which is truly a 0. So you can practice the remaining 4 questions and check your answers on the next page.